Welcome to DIY Gardening Ideas. Cherry tomatoes are a delicious and versatile fruit that can be enjoyed fresh, cooked or dried. They are also relatively easy to grow in containers, making them a great option for gardeners with limited space. In this guide, we will show you how to grow lots of red cherry tomatoes in containers. We will cover everything from choosing the right container and soil to planting, watering and fertilizing your plants. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious red cherry tomatoes all summer long. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. Number 1. Choose the right container. Select a container that is at least 12 inches deep and has a minimum diameter of 18 inches. This will provide enough space for the tomato plant's roots to grow and ensure proper drainage. The container that you are watching in this video are old fruit baskets. Number 2. Use high quality potting mix. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for container gardening. Now you can either buy potting mix or you can either make your own potting mix. The potting mix that we are going to use is a very simple mix. 50% of garden soil and 50% of fully decomposed manure. Number 3. Provide ample sunlight. Place your container in an area that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Cherry tomatoes thrive in sunny conditions and adequate sunlight will promote healthy growth and fruit production. If necessary, move the container throughout the day to ensure it receives enough sunlight. Number 4. Prune and support the plant. Regular pruning and support will help your cherry tomato plant grow more efficiently and produce an abundance of fruits. Remove the suckers, side shoots that emerge from the leaf axil, focusing on maintaining one or two main stems. Also remove the lower leaves of tomato plants because these leaves do not produce any fruits. Use stakes or a trellis to support the plant, ensuring proper airflow and reducing the risk of disease. Number 5. Provide sufficient water and fertilizer. Tomatoes require consistent moisture, so water your container regularly, keeping the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Check the moisture level by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced tomato fertilizer to support essential nutrients. In this video, we are providing a liquid fertilizer that is homemade. If you want to learn how to make this liquid fertilizer, check the link in the description box for the complete detailed video. By following these tips, you can create an optimal environment for your red cherry tomatoes to thrive and yield an abundant harvest in containers. If you like our video, please consider subscribing this YouTube channel and share this with your friends and family. Thanks.